This is SUMOLIGHT's new Sumo Max LED light.
This is a CineD Gear News video, supported by B&H and CVP.
Welcome everybody, my name is Nino from CineD and we're here at NAB 2022 at the SUMOLIGHT booth with Tim. How are you?
Hi, thank you. Great show here. And I'm very glad that I can present to you our new product, the Sumo Max.
Cool, so this looks very interesting, looks different from what we're used to. What can you tell me about it?
Yeah, so it's an RGBWW fixture that you also can take out with the battery, so it's IP65 rated. But what's also special about it is that it has changeable lens plates that you can put in front, therefore widening the native 20-degree beam angle to 30 degree, 40, 60, 120. You can also combine them, so you can in the lower part of the light you can have 30 degrees and in the upper part you can have 60. That's also a feature that we like about it. But it also has full pixel control of 19 pixel on it. Therefore you can play even video content or Unreal Engine feeds over one fixture or a multitude of the fixtures. Due to the form factor, which is also special, being hexagonal, allowing you to build any type of shapes, round shapes, surfaces, stripes, and then you can also run content over this. Therefore, it's really a hybrid display lighting system, where the lighting system part of it is still, I think from the parameters that we can reach with this, 20,000 lux at 3 meters, it's pretty impressive. Has also even still a boost mode built in.
And it's passively cooled.
It's fully passively cooled. So we love passive cooling, and we have a patent on our passively cooled cooling system, and that gives us an additional efficiency boost.
Okay, cool. So basically we can think of this as 19 lights in one, right? Because you can individually operate them and use the single pixels to display content.
Exactly, and then you have the 19 pixel that you can individually control and program, but then you can also have 19 lights or 150 lights of them combined into like a wall or any type of shape, and then you have 19 times whatever other number of lights available. Therefore, the combination of the lenses with the modularity of the light allows you to have exactly the amount of light you want on set and exactly the amount of output you want. So it's not even just thinking in one fixture only. It's more like a lighting system where you can scale the beam angles and the output. So depending on how far away from the stages, you select the beam angle, and then depending on how much output you want to have down there, you have the number of lights to be combined in a mega fixture, in a larger structure.
So what are some example use cases? I guess it's not only film, it's not only virtual staging, it's also events.
We were not. It's new for us to be able to also present to the entertainment market a light that might be super interesting. I can run you through a couple of the FX built in as well. But you said it. So the lighting fixture side of it means you can use it as a space light, as a key light, backlight, all the accessories that on our older Sumo Space fixture are available. You can also use in this fixture. So all the classical use cases of light boxes, stripes of lights or so that you might think of above a set is feasible. But then what's new is that since you can run Unreal Engine content on it as well, you can integrate it with our Sumo Sky system or an LED volume or all three of them together, and therefore creating a very easy to use environment to come up with these complex production settings that you have these days in an LED volume environment. So that's something new, because it's really specifically made also to cater to these kind of applications. And then of course, being an IP65 fixture, you can take it out and use it on outside shoots.
So that means waterproof, dustproof, right?
Waterproof, dustproof, meaning if there's a strong rain, you don't need to worry about anything. Yeah.
Great. Pricing, availability of this one?
So it's in production right now. It ships in 6 to 8 weeks. So we are, having already a very good pre-order list in place, and the pricing of it is very aggressive because we know people will love this light as much as we do. It looks very beautiful. So the pricing is at $5,475. I think a good option to consider.
Very cool. And just give me an example. Who are your typical existing customers, like the ones who pre-ordered it? What type of companies are those? Are virtual production stages or rental houses?
The very big names on the one hand side, with the combined studio and rental businesses that you would think of. But what we like most is that also really very important gaffers and people who are the actual decision makers on what to use on set, they are buying into, and they want to have this for their own. And this helps us, of course, multiplying then into the rental houses.
Okay, great. Thank you, Tim. And good luck with everything. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for a lot more from NAB 2022. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.